Sa video na to, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-transform ng quadratic functions from standard form into the vertex form. The concept that we're gonna need is completing the square. Without further ado, let's begin. First example, halimbawa meron tayong quadratic function y equals x squared plus 6x plus say 5. Alright. Ito ay nasa standard form and ang standard form ay y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And ang value ng b dito, yung linear coefficient is 6, di ba? And kailangan natin ito mamaya. Later on, i-explain ko. And for now, ganito, i-rewrite natin. Copy the left side, y, tapos mag-iwan tayo ng space. And then, maglalagay tayo ng parentheses sa first two terms. Open parentheses, copy the first two terms, x squared plus 6x, and then leave some space, close parentheses, tapos plus 5. Okay. Ang goal natin dito, completing the square, kailangan natin maging perfect square trinomial yan. And to do that, we have to add an additional term here. And that additional term is the term b divided by 2 squared. And yung b natin, yung binanggit ko dito kanina, equal yan kay 6. So, substitute b is equal to 6 divided by 2 squared. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 3 times 3 or 3 squared is equal to 9. Therefore, we will add 9 here. And then we will also add 9 here. Next, isulat ko lang sa baba yung perfect square trinomial. A squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. Ang factored form niyan ay a plus or minus b and then squared. So let me rewrite y plus 9 is equal to and then x squared. Tapos itong 9, express natin siya as a square din. 9 is 3 squared plus, okay, plus 3 squared plus 5. Ngayon, ano ang middle term natin dito? Well, kung susundan natin to, ang middle term ay plus or minus 2ab. At dahil plus yan, of course, plus din to. And then 2 times a times b, kung susundan natin, ang a natin is x, tapos yung b natin is 3. So, the middle term is 2 times x times 3. And pwede nyo i-check, 2 times x times 3, that's 6x. So that proves na meron tayong perfect square trinomial. And dahil may ganyan tayo, i-express natin to like this. Proceed tayo. Y plus 9 is equal to a. A is x. And then plus or minus, meron tayong plus. And then b. B is 3. And then squared. Plus 5. Let me delete this. Next is we have to transpose positive 9 to the other side. Make it negative. Y is equal to x plus 3 squared plus 5 and then minus 9. And 5 minus 9 is equal to negative 4. Minus 4. So, ito na yung vertex form. Next example. Y equals x squared minus 10x plus 22. This is again in standard form with the value of b is negative 10. Sulat natin dito. b equals negative 10. Ngayon, rewrite natin. Y, leave some space, is equal to, put parentheses for the first two terms, x squared minus 10x, and then leave some space, close parentheses, plus 22. And we need another term dito, yung pangatlong term, para maging perfect square trinomial yan. And the third term is b divided by 2 squared. So, dito, b divided by 2 squared. That's equal to negative 10 ang value ng ating b. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. And negative 5 squared is positive 25. So mag-add tayo ng 25 dito, also sa left side. Let us rewrite y plus 25 is equal to x squared. And then ito naman, positive 25, express natin as a square. So 5 squared. Tapos plus 22. And then yung middle term natin dito, ayan yung plus or minus 2ab. Ang a natin dito is yung x, tapos yung b is 5. Okay? So minus 2 times a times b. And check natin, 2 times x times 5 is 10x. Ngayon, sulat na natin to in factored form. Let's proceed. Y plus 25 is equal to, ang factored form ng perfect square trinomial ay a, ang a natin is x, plus or minus, we have a minus here, b is 5. X minus 5 and then squared. And then, don't forget, plus 22. Tapos itong 25, transpose natin. Magiging negative yan. So, y is equal to x minus 5 squared plus 22 minus 25. And 22 minus 25 is equal to negative 3. This is now the vertex form. Let's proceed. Suppose we have y is equal to 2x squared plus 8x plus 3. Let's transform this from from standard form into the vertex form. Okay, first step, copy the left side, leave some space, is equal to, and then put parentheses for the first two terms. 2x squared plus 8x, leave some space, plus 3. And then, bago tayo mag-completing the square, make sure natin na nakasimplified to. Kasi meron siyang GCF. The GCF of 2 and 8 is 2. So, pwede nating i-take out si 2 as common factor or as common monomial factor. Y is equal to 2 and then parenthesis 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared and then plus 8x divided by 2 is 4x. Close parenthesis plus 3. And dito, kung titingnan natin, ang value ng ating b is 4. Okay? Huwag kayong magkakamali, baka kunin yung value ng b is 8 dito. Hindi. Kasi meron pa tayong common factor na 2 na nilabas natin dito. So, the value of b is positive 4. Ngayon, yung ating missing term is b over 2 squared. Substitute, b is 4 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is equal to 4. So we will add 4 here. And then we will also add not 4, but 2 times 4. Huwag natin kakalimutan yan. Okay? So plus 2 times 4 dito is equal to 8. Proceed. Y plus 8 is equal to 2. And then I'm going to rewrite x squared. Tapos itong 4, express natin as a square, which is 2 squared. Tapos plus 3. And then also plus here. Tapos ang middle term natin sa perfect square trinomial ay 2 times a times b. Ang a natin is x, ang b natin is 2. So 2 times a, which is x, times b, which is 2. And kung i-check natin, 2 times x times 2, equal yan kay 4x. Next, y plus 8 is equal to 2 times, and ito ay perfect square trinomial. Ang factored form niyan ay a plus or minus b and then squared. Ang a natin is x plus or minus, well, we have to use plus here. b is 2 and then squared and then copy plus 3. Tapos transpose natin. 8 becomes negative to the other side. So y is equal 2 times x plus 2 squared plus 3 and then minus 8. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. This is the vertex form. Let us try one more. Suppose we have y equals 1 half x squared minus 3x plus 7. All right, let's transform this into the vertex form. So let me copy the left side, y, leave some space, is equal to, and then parenthesis, 1 half x squared minus 3x, leave some space, close parenthesis, plus 7. Ngayon, before tayo mag-proceed sa completing the square, we have to avoid this coefficient 1 half. So, maglalabas tayo ng coefficient na 1 half. Y is equal to 1 half, and then let's divide. 1 half x squared divided by 1 half is x squared. And then minus 3x divided by 1 half is 6. Okay? 6x plus 7. And right here, the value of our b, the linear coefficient is negative 6. b is equal to negative 6. And the missing term here is b over 2 squared. Substitute b, negative 6 divided by 2 squared. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. And negative 3 squared is positive 9. So we will add 9 here. And also we will add 1 half times 9, or 9 over 2. So 9 over 2. Let's proceed. Y plus 9 over 2 is equal to 1 half. Tapos, i-rewrite natin to kasi perfect square trinomial na yan. X squared, and then 9 is 3 squared plus 7, and then minus here. Tapos, the value of our A is X, B is 3. And the middle term of a perfect square trinomial is 2 times A is X, times B is 3. And if we check, 2 times X times 3 is indeed 6X. Ngayon, i-factored form na natin to. Y plus 9 over 2 is equal to 1 half, and then times A is X, and then minus here, B is 3 squared, and then plus 7. Let me proceed here. So y, and then transpose natin tong 9 over 2 sa kabila. Magiging negative. Y is equal to 1 half times x minus 3 squared plus 7 minus 9 over 2. Ngayon, isimplify na lang natin to. So 7 minus 9 over 2, and 7 express natin as 14 over 2. Right? 14 over 2, ito yan. And then minus 9 over 2. 14 minus 9 is 5. So 5 over 2. Ito ay 5 over 2. Therefore, we have y equals 1 half times x minus 3 squared plus 5 over 2.